Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. If we are already chat family, you already know, welcome back. I appreciate you all taking a moment out of your busy day to come on by. I hope all is well with everyone. You all know I'm just coming on with a quick little message of encouragement because it is truly my desire and my purpose to see us all win. And this is why I feel so passionate about sharing the information through my business, my personal econ business. You guys, if you guys have not taken a look at my link that is in the description box of this video, what you waiting on? It is free 99 after all, okay? You all, if you are interested in learning more about credit restoration, taking advantage of serious travel discounts, learning all about income shifting and how to give yourself a raise on your current job, you are sleeping on this opportunity. Take a look at it. Drop down in the comments and let me know what's on your mind. I'd love to hear your feedback. Until next time, guys, stay safe out there, stay encouraged, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.